Stop. Stop staring at that growing to-do list. Stop putting off that business idea, that certification, or going back to school. Stop telling yourself you'll start that workout tomorrow, or that diet next week, or that important conversation later. Stop waiting for the right time to start living your life. Because the truth is, the right time is now. Every time you procrastinate, you're not just delaying a task. You're delaying your dreams, your growth, and your future. Procrastination is more than just a bad habit. It's a mindset that steals your potential, one moment at a time. And today, we're breaking free from that cycle. Procrastination convinces you to choose comfort over progress, to stay stuck instead of stepping out. But here's the hard truth. Every day you delay, you're telling yourself, I'm not ready. I can't do this. I'm here to remind you, you are ready and you absolutely can. Let's get real. Putting things off only feeds into a cycle of stress and self-doubt. When you procrastinate, you're not just postponing a task. You're pushing away the life you want to live. Stop. Stop waiting for inspiration to strike or for circumstances to be perfect. Perfection is a myth. Progress is real. And progress happens when you decide to act, no matter how small the step. Remember this. Every time you act, you're building confidence and momentum. You're proving to yourself that you are capable, that you have what it takes to achieve your goals. Confidence isn't built overnight. It's built step by step, decision by decision. Take that step today. Break down that overwhelming task into smaller, manageable pieces and just start. Why then do we procrastinate even when we know it holds us back? Because deep down we fear the unknown, the uncomfortable, and the possibility of failure. But remember this, growth happens outside of your comfort zone. Your dreams, your goals, your best self, they're all waiting for you to step out in faith, to push past the fear and to start. Here's your challenge for today. What will you do differently starting now? Pick one thing you've been putting off and share with us how you intend to take action today, not tomorrow. We'd love to hear how you're breaking free from procrastination. Maybe this will also encourage someone else in the comment section. And if this message resonated with you, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with someone who needs a boost this Monday morning. Let's turn every Monday into a fresh start. Remember, you've got the power, you've got the potential, and you've got the choice. Make today count.